Very quiet and sturdy. Very good. However, is fragile but is very fun for my daughter to play with. Came in 5 days and very good. I recommend it. It's cheap and good. For the unfocused and anxious, it's surprisingly not bulky in the hand and I have very small hands. There are silent fidgets and clicky fidget sides. Personally, I find that to be a blessing to use for all occasions. Photo for size reference, literally an inch. It was great. It came in good condition, but after 30 minutes the joystick, glide, has became squeaky and a little sticky, but I solved that problem. It's very good. Also the silver ball clicks and is very well. Bought this to keep my hands busy so I don't pick at my fingers. Seems to help. Box arrived damaged. Fairly decent product. The joystick side sticks and is not very quiet. Other than that, this is a pretty decent fidget cube. I ordered the black and white one and it gave me the dark gray and black. The only problem is that the 5 buttons, I don't like how Terry's 2 silent ones. Also, the switch could be harder to push. But overall it has a nice texture. It's very cheap and the other sides work well. Very great for people who need something to fidget with. The switch did get stuck, but for me personally it doesn't affect the calm I get from fidgeting with the toy. I have anxiety and when I use this is when I'm in class. I love the clicking sounds and is so portable, so I bring it everywhere. The only problem was that joint thing, the item in the first picture, was getting stuck, but it was easy to get unstuck. That was my only problem. Love it and you must get it. Like it. Exactly as advertised. Click link in description for more reviews.